Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share an interesting topic, a lesson that is thinking out of the box, lateral thinking, which is written by Edward de Bono. Edward de Bono, born on 19th May in the year of 1933, and is still alive at the age of now. If the present his age is 87 years. He is best known for propagating the art of lateral thinking. He is a physician, author, and consultant. De Bono has a PhD in psychology and has held high academic positions at Oxford, Cambridge, and Harvard universities. He has more than 40 books. Coming to the lesson, lateral thinking, thinking out of the box, lateral thinking. This lesson focuses on creative thinking, the way we thinking creatively. These this lesson displays stats India in a small village with a farmer. A farmer had a misfortune of owing some money from a money lender in the same village. Then the money lender, who was ugly and old, fancied the farmer's beautiful daughter. So he proposed a bargain. He said that the farmer will forgo the moneylender will forgo the farmer's debt if the moneylender could marry the farmer's daughter. Then both the farmer and his daughter were horrified by the proposal. So the cunning moneylender suggested that they let Providence decide the matter. Because he kept a task that he told them, and the challenging task is, he told them that he would put a two pebbles. What is pebble here? The stones, a small stones. He will keep two pebbles in a bag that is white and black into an empty bag. Then the girl, the farmer's daughter, would have to pick one pebble from the bag. If she picks the black pebble, she has to marry him, and the farmer's debt would be written off. If she picks the white pebble, no need she need not to marry the moneylender, and even still the farmer's debt would be still written off. Then if she refuses to take, or if she refuses to pick the pebble, then her father will be thrown into jail. These hard tasks were kept them in horrified way, and at last they accepted. The daughter has accepted to pick a pebble, and the moneylender started picking two pebbles to keep in a bag, and the sharp-eyed girl, that is the farmer's beautiful daughter, she notices that the moneylender is picking two black pebbles, and two black pebbles. He had picked two black pebbles and put them into the bag. He then asked the girl to pick a pebble from the bag. Then, can you say what she has to do now? Either she has to refuse, or she should sacrifice, or she should show to someone there. But if we think logically, these three will be worked out. But if she shown to some others, again there will be a task for her. It might be, again there will be a task. But by thinking creatively, she did, and she did her job very beautifully. Take a moment to ponder on this story, over the story. What actually the girl did is, she went there to the bag, and she started picking the pebble from the bag, and she suddenly drew the pebble, one of the pebble from the bag into the stone path. It means from the bag she threw down the pebble, and like she acted unknowingly, and suddenly all of them are seen that she had thrown a pebble down, and she said sorry, and that she said that it not a problem if we check in the bag whatever the pebble is left and which pebble is thrown down. So in that way she became succeed in escaping from the ugly and that old money lender. In this way, our Edward Debon, our writer, explains the creative way of thinking. Actually, what is lateral thinking? Lateral thinking is thinking indirectly, but to escape or to success, to get succeed in the life for the solutions. So again, our writer also explains another story, that is about a wealthy businessman. This lesson, actually thinking out of the box, lateral thinking, says that it is the most complex. This lesson tells that even most complex problems do have a solution by thinking in a lateral way. So the lateral thinking is a creative and non-linear thinking. Here, the writers focus on another story about a wealthy businessman, and the wealthy businessman want to fly to America on his business work for 3 weeks. Now he has a rich car, Ferrari car, and he has to park his car with safety somewhere. At first, he didn't find anywhere to keep to park his car, so he had a thought of keeping his parking his car in a by taking a loan from the bank. If he takes a loan from the bank, he can, for security and for surety, he can keep his car. So there, by borrowing for borrowing $5,000, the bank asked a security. So he went to a bank and he talked to a bank manager and asked for a money of $5,000. Then the bank manager asked about security and the surety. Then from the window the wealthy businessman showed a Ferrari car, and the bank manager checked all the details and the papers. The wealthy businessman borrowed the loan from the bank, and he slapped the papers and keys on his bank manager's table, and he went. Then after 2 weeks he returned. He returned to the India by completing his business works, and directly he visited bank on a fine Monday morning. Then the bank manager is there, and he went with his money with the interest of just $15 for the $5,000, and he paid that money with interest. And the bank manager, on his inquiry, he noticed that he's a wealthy businessman, and these $5,000 are nothing to him. But the bank manager had a doubt why he borrowed that money from the bank. Then he asked, when the businessman returned, the bank manager asked to him that why he borrowed this money, and with a smiley way the businessman says that by taking his keys and his papers from the table, he says that with a smiley way he says that he parked his car, and with in a top condition he took his car in a return, and just with the $15. So in this way by smiling he says to bank manager, replies to bank manager, and he goes from there. This is this way, in this creative way, he thought, and he returned, and he took his car in a top condition. So by this way, Edward de Bono focuses on this lateral thinking. Lateral thinking he says that lateral thinking is a creative way. By thinking laterally, we may do our work indirectly, we may succeed indirectly, but definitely we may succeed, we get success. He says, Edward de Bono says that. And Edward de Bono also says that one is always confusing condition, thinking with a creative thinking. But de Bono explains that lateral thinking is concerned not with playing with the existing pieces, but with seeking to change those very pieces. It is concerned with the perception part of thinking. Edward de Bono has 6 acts of thinking. The most popular technique presented by de Bono is 6 thinking acts. The 6 thinking acts are white hat. First one is white hat. White hat signifies the facts and figures. What information do we have and need to get? And red hat. Second one is red hat. Emotions feeling. How do we feel about the situation? And black hat signifies as a judgment. How does this fit the facts? And yellow hat signifies as the advantages, benefits. How is it a good thing to do? And green hat signifies as explorations, alternatives, etc. Other different ways. Blue hat signifies as thinking about thinking, control of thinking process. Then lateral thinking also saves us alive. There is a story of 2 friends. The 2 friends are in a jungle. They went for a walk or something else, and there they see a tiger, and now the 2 are afraid and frightened. Now they 2 talk each other what to do. So one of his friend, among the 2, one started tying his shoelace tightly and asked and says, how the other one asked how to escape from this tiger, and the who is tying the shoelace says that he need not to explain, he need not to escape from the tiger, but the thing he said that if he runs faster than him, if he overtake him, it is enough, because the tiger will anyways catch the backside one. So if he runs more than him, and if he runs faster than him, so he could easily escape from the tiger. In this way, he says that think by thinking creatively. So in this way, our writer Edward de Bono explains that lateral thinking. Of course, lateral thinking always it is a creative way. If we think creatively, definitely we will have a solution. So in this way, our Edward de Bono, he written his thinking out of the box, lateral thinking, and he is best known for propagating this lateral thinking. Thank you. Keep watching my channel. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.